The biggest investing mistake isn't picking the wrong stock, it's waiting. You tell yourself you'll start when you have more money, when things settle down, when the timing feels right. But while you're waiting, the clock is running. Here's why this keeps happening. Nobody teaches you this in school. Nobody sits you down at 22 and shows you what a few years of waiting actually costs. So you operate on feeling, and the feeling is always not yet. Not yet because the market looks uncertain. Not yet because rent went up. Not yet because you're still figuring things out. And every year you wait, you're not just delaying your wealth, you're paying for the delay in real money. Money you'll never recover, not because you lost it, but because you never let time work for you. Waiting doesn't feel like a decision, but it is. And it has a price tag. Here's the reframe. Wealth isn't built by the amount you invest. It's built by how long your money has been working. Time in the market beats money in the market, every time. Let me show you exactly what that means with real numbers. Two people, same goal. Meet Adam and James. Adam starts investing $200 a month at 25. He does it for 10 years, then stops completely. Never adds another dollar. Total invested, $24,000. James waits until 35, then invests $200 every single month for 30 years straight. Never misses a payment. Total invested, $72,000. At 65, who has more money? Adam, with $281,000 versus James's $244,000. Adam invested for 1/3 of the time, contributed $48,000 less, and still came out ahead. That's not luck. That's not discipline. That's what a 10-year head start buys you. Now here's where most people get this wrong. They look at these numbers and think, okay, I need to find $200 a month. And if they can't, they do nothing. That's the trap. The amount is not the point. The habit is. Start with $1 a month. Seriously, $1. Because what you're actually building in the beginning isn't wealth. It's the behavior, the system, the muscle memory of someone who invests. And once you start, automate it. Set it up so the money moves before you ever see it, before your feelings get involved, before you decide you need it for something else. Your feelings will always find a reason to wait. Automation removes that option. Now look at what happens when you delay even further. Start at 40 instead of 25. Same $200 a month, same returns. And you retire with $162,000. Start at 45 and that drops to $104,000. Same discipline, same amount. The only variable is when you started. Every year of delay has a real cost, and now you've seen exactly what that cost looks like. It's never too late to start, but the best time was yesterday. The second best time is today. Not when you have more money, not when the market feels safer. Today, with whatever you have. Because time is the one asset you cannot buy back. You automated your investments. Now automate your thinking. Subscribe to Insight Lab, and we'll see you in the next one.